What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to connect n8n to Telegram without coding. So you want to get to your n8n and you're going to come over to where you have the plus here. We're going to click on it and then we're going to say new workflow. Then right here in new workflow, you want to click on the plus here, which is to add the first step or a trigger. We're going to click on it and then we're going to search for Telegram. You can see Telegram right there, click on it. So when we have these options, they're about 9 and we're going to look for on message, click on it. And then what we're going to do here is to look over to credential, no credentials yet. We're going to click on setup credential. Now, in order to have this access token, we're going to go over to Telegram. And then right here in Telegram, we're going to search for bot father and we have bot father here and you're going to come over here, click on start. And then you're going to click /. So click on new bot and says you need to give it a name. So we're going to say YT. And now we're going to give it a username that ends with bot. So we're going to say YT tutorial bot. So it says that name is already taken. So we're going to give it something more complicated. So we have that, right? So we're going to go yes. So great. We have YT2341 tits bot and we have the token access code right here. So now that we have the access code, we're going to copy this and then go over to n8n, and here in the access token area, you're going to paste it. And then we're going to give this a name by coming over to the Telegram. So we can have YT2341 tuts and click save. And you can see credential successfully created inside your personal space. So we have it right here. So now that we have this set up, we're going to click execute step. So it's currently listening. So to prove that this works, we're going to go over to Telegram. And then before you leave the bot father, you can see congratulations, your new bot. You will find it at this web link, which is basically a combination of your username. So we're going to click on it to get to that chat. And you want to make sure, of course, to save this so you can have an easy access to it. And then we're going to click start and going to say, does this work? Now, it's not a question, it's just a chat. So we're going to send it and of course, go back to n8n and you can see the message text, does this work? With, of course, some details right here. So you can see that Telegram and n8n are connected and are currently working.